Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Vera Hidayati. I will explain about quotation marks. Quotation mark atau tanda petik adalah punctuation yang digunakan secara berpasangan untuk menandai ucapan, kutipan, frasa atau kata. Quotation mark with direct quotation. Rules 1. Use quotation mark to set off a direct quotation or talk within a sentence or paragraph, termasuk kutipan yang ditandatangani, tertulis, dan seterusnya. Contoh, I was certain he said Campbell's will accept delivery on Tuesday. Tanda petik terletak setelah kalimat I was certain he said. Rules 2. Do not use quotation mark for paraphrases or indirect quotation. Contoh, I was sure Campbell's wanted a Tuesday delivery. Tidak menggunakan tanda petik karena bukan merupakan kalimat langsung. Rules 3. Use single quotation mark to set off a quotation within a quotation. Gunakan tanda kutip tunggal untuk mengawali kutipan dalam kutipan. Contoh, my speech teacher asked, does anyone in this room remember the way Jim Nabors used to say, golly? Tanda petik ganda terletak setelah kalimat my speech teacher asked. Tanda petik tunggal terletak setelah kata say atau pada kata golly.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will explain about quotation marks with quotation marks. Quotation marks with quotation marks yaitu memberi tanda kutip di dalam kutipan. Here are the rules regarding the use of other quotation marks and quotation. Berikut adalah aturan tentang penggunaan tanda baca dan tanda petik lain. Question marks, exclamation point, and dashes go inside the quotation mark if they are part of quotation mark. Tanda tanya, tanda seru, dan tanda hubung akan masuk ke dalam tanda kutip jika mereka bagian dari tanda kutip tersebut, dan jika dia bukan bagian dari tanda kutip atau quotation marks, dia akan berada di luar tanda kutip atau dia akan diletakkan di luar tanda kutip tersebut. Contoh, the doctor asks the question marks, can you feel any pain in this area? Dokter bertanya, bisakah kamu merasakan sakit di daerah ini? Ini termasuk quotation mark karena tanda tanya berada di dalam tanda kutip dan kalimat tanya sang dokter masuk ke dalam tanda kutip karena memfokuskan kalimat tanya dalam tanda kutip kepada pasien sang dokter tersebut. Contoh kedua, have you noticed how turns the big mark? Ini bukan termaksud quotation mark karena tanda tanya berada di luar tanda kutip. Kenapa tanda tanya berada di luar tanda kutip? Karena kalimat pertanyaannya tidak mengutip kalimat seseorang dan hanya memfokuskan pada sebuah judul buku. Nah, sampai di situ yang bisa saya jelaskan. Saya akhiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, Let me introduce myself first. My name is Siti Sakina Marifantullah Syedman from Class B, Group 5. Today I will explain about punctuation, but I only point out two of them. First is quotation mark, and then second is hyphen. Quotation mark, as the punctuation can be used to attribute idea and words to the original speaker, so quotation mark to show that someone else has said something either verbally or they're written it on the page. And also use quotation mark to set off unfamiliar terms and nicknames. You will often use italic use in the same manner. In the sentence, he was dubbed Sir Tagalong by the other member of the staff. We capitalize he because in the beginning of the sentence and mark quotation capital Sir Tagalong. Quotation mark can be tricky because sometimes depend on how you are setting your sentence up. Second one is hyphen. Hyphen are used to make compound words, especially compound adjective. So compound words are words made two or more other words. Example, Shannon is a teacher poet. The adjective is teacher, poet, and you use hyphen to connect the two parts. However, hyphen used in compound word is the inconsistent, and changing. Compound word made with numbers almost always have a hyphen. Example, 54-year-old woman is made with a number and as always written with hyphen. And if you're not sure to use hyphen in number or not, you just write the number. Hyphen with some prefix like s or self. Example, Simone spotted her ex-husband walking into the grocery store. The second one is Abraham Lincoln was a self-made man. Thanks for today. Thank you for your attention and stay home. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.